It's been a tough couple of years for equities, and people have felt comfortable to go back in the market only to find it collapse again. I'm actually a lot more optimistic about the outlook for the next year. I think yield assets will do well, but I think a lot of the beaten up stocks will reprice and that we'll see very good returns for small caps, micro caps, and a number of those areas that have had very poor performance over recent years. So I'm very optimistic. I expect interest rates to remain extremely low for the next 12 months. That means that the funding base for equities is going to be stable and cheap for the next year. And I think equities will reprice off the back of that. And that's tremendous news for investors in equities. As always, the Europeans have the capacity to derail what is going to be a very solid run on equity markets. So I'm watching what's happening in Italy, in Spain, in peripheral Europe in general, just to make sure that they don't come up with one of those surprises that can derail what is a smooth recovery in the developed world. Contango is a top-down macro manager, and that makes us very different from most of the bottom-up managers in the Australian market. And the thing that it gives us is the capacity to look forward, to understand the environment that companies will be facing, and to pick stocks on the basis of that understanding. So it's a key differentiating point.